Good morning. In this series, we see about what is the terminology and what are the names will be given while solving the numerical problem based on the projection of solids. Okay. So here we are to mention the dimensional parameter and for the different solids. Okay. Let's say I have to take the polyhedron and also I take its solid regulations. Okay. The solid regulation will coming under cylinder and the cone. Here I have to take the square as take as an example. There are n number of shape will be that. I will previous lecture series we see about detailing about what are the names will be given based on the shape and place based on the category. So what is the category? We also indicates its meaning is called as prism and the pyramid. Okay, that is a category for solving the problem for understanding purpose. Okay, so then we have to moving for the parameters. Okay, or terminologies. Okay, let's say here I have to take the square. Okay, I have to take the square. So let's say I take as a square prism and the square pyramid. Okay, so I have to mention the detailing. What is the details? What are the names we'll be calling? Okay, while solving the numerical problem. Okay, so whenever you have to construct the square, no. So the all the corners getting joined. Okay, that is called as corner of the prism. Okay, that means the four side will be getting joined at one. Okay, that is called as corner of the prism, and each side is called as a edge of the prism. Okay, the edge is nothing but is a side, and the corner is nothing but the both the side will be getting joined at one point. It is called as a corner. Okay, then all the corners getting joined, you getting the shape. It's like a so let's say take as a square prism square. I have to take here. So the square is having a base is called as a base. Okay. Then it having a certain height. Okay. I have to mention the top portions. Okay. So the bottom portions are base or both are shape and the top portions. Okay. The same. They all what are the shape you have to draw in a base. Okay. What that shape will be there in your top portions. Okay. Then in the prism category is always there in rectangular face or is called as a all the rectangular faces. Like for example, the square prism it having a four rectangular face. It having a pentagonal prism is five rectangular face. Okay, so the prism category is always there in only rectangular face. Okay, that is a key indication to solve the violence numerical problems. Okay, so all the corners okay getting joined to the top side of the prism. Okay, so that is called as a longer edge of the given solids. Okay, these are the terminology while understand or while solving the problem based on the prism. Let's move on the pyramid types of category. Okay, so how to understand this? Okay, the similar cases will be there. Similar terminologies or parameter will be there in prism. Okay, and also take as a pyramid. Let assume as it's like a base, edge of the base, and the corner of the base is both are same, and the base. Okay, so the all the corner of the base getting joining at one point is called as the apex. Okay, so here I have to take the square from so that means the four sides are there. If let's take as a triangle, it is having a three sides. It having a pentagon, it having five sides. Hexagon means six sides. So all the corners, that means the edge of the base getting joined to the certain height. That is called as the apex. Okay. Upper then apex is called as the one single point. All the corners getting meeting at one point is called as a apex. And all the slanting, that is a line we also draw from the edge of the base to apex. That is line is called as a slanting edge. Okay, not a having height. Okay, so in a problem while solving the problem, they are mentioned the slanting edge. Okay, you have to draw, but only they mention the height of the base. Okay, so we're discussing how to construct these lines. Okay, so let's move on the solid regular category. It's called regulation. It's called as a cylinder and cone. Let us assume as is a cylinder. No cylinder is having a circle. It looks like a circle. The circle will be there in both base and top. Okay, so here we have to from this class we have to understand what is the base and top. Okay, so the circle will be there. Only you have to generating the imaginary lines. Okay, so that's why we have to generate it's like a white color line. Here I have to mention here, but it's not visible over here. But looking here, you have to understand what is the generated line. Okay, you have to construct the circle. Okay, circle will be divided is 8 equal parts or 4 equal parts or 12 equal parts. Okay, all the corners get joining. It's called as a generating. The similar words will be there, terminology parameters will be there in the cone. The cone portions, we have to construct the circle, no? The construct the circle, it is called as a base. All the base, that is, you have to construct the base of the circle. You have to, next step, you have to generate all the imaginary points. All the points getting joining at one point is called as a apex. Okay. So what is the generator? Generator, for our understanding to solving the numerical problem, it is an imaginary line. Okay, while you are constructing the circle or cylinder types of problem or numerical problems or cone type numerical problem, while constructing the circle, that is the imaginary lines generated a curved surface. It is called as a generator. Okay. So these are the terminology parameter while understanding the numerical problem. So what are the data given? What are the values given? What are the name will be there? What is the conditions? What is the solid name? What is the category name? So understanding this concept, you are understanding. So essential to solve a numerical problem is very easy for that. Okay. Let's move on the new topic we'll be discussing next lecture series.